Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issues. So if your smartphone's battery drains way too fast, you can go to settings, go to battery settings right here, and then consider changing the balanced mode to battery saver, and then adjusting the battery saver settings by going into battery saver settings. You can also make it turn on automatically by selecting schedule time to switch between modes, and then select the start and the end time by changing these two values. Then go to battery checkup and go through the steps that you see right here. So this will be closing apps that drain your battery, turning on the dark mode, clearing memory 10 minutes after locking device, turning off location services, turning off haptic feedback, enabling don't wake screen for notifications feature, and enabling a lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity. Then press add time, close, and this way you will optimize your battery. Then the next thing that you can do instead, and you can do this instead of the dark mode, go to display and brightness, and if you don't want to use the dark mode, if you're not comfortable with it, you can just adjust the screen brightness of your phone to the point where you're still comfortable using it, or you can simply enable automatic brightness and let your phone decide on the brightness level. And the last thing that I want you to do is download and install the latest software update. So go to the search and search for update, then go to system update and check if there are any updates to install. As you can see, there is no button which would let us download the update, but you can tap the that icon in the top right corner, then select download latest package. And if you weren't able to complete update package, then it's either because you don't have internet. In my case, it's the reason. So let me just turn on the Wi-Fi and then again download latest package, or basically you don't have any updates prepared for your device. Okay, let me just try this last step once again. Once I connected to the internet, it actually started checking for updates. So let's see what it detects, whether or not I do have any updates on this phone. Okay, and as you can see, no updates are available. That means that this phone has the latest updates installed on it, and therefore that will be all for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.